Kai FM 95.9, home of the Afropolitans. Kumi, is there anyone else you want to apologize to, my brother?
Everyone.
Dirty look you gave me earlier.
Wow.
And the fact that you don't give me money anymore.
Kantu busy peshaguli.
Sweetheart, for months.
Senator Phillips is busy telling us that South Africa is the second richest country in the continent. Can you just say Can I just say rich or say poor?
I'm confused on a momo.
No, but you don't understand, Scooby. After the rent fell, somebody picked it up, and then we became second. The rent fell.
One lawyer or pick up a little rant.
Mama Action. Or was it you, Temba? Good morning, Temba. Temba's not there. Temba?
I'm here.
Oh, okay. You're here. What's up, Temba? What do you want to tell us?
No, man. I just want to make something very clear. Skhumba doesn't owe anyone an apology.
How?
I will tell you why.
Tell us, please, Buju.
Skhumba is a comedian. It stays like that. You know, as black people, we tend to complain over small issues.
But also as black people, we tend to speak for one another too much, hey?
Exactly. So they must just leave Skhumba alone.
Okay, thank you very much. Is this the kind of calls we're going to be taking for the rest of the morning?
Thank you, Temba.
By the way,
All right. Pumzile?
Never retirement.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. You know what, right? This whole apologizing in the letter from this morning, that is really offensive, especially from a listener's perspective. I feel it would be the writer, first of all. It's so great to they voice their opinion about how they comprehended Kumba's, utterances, as well as your responses, as well as my questions or Abuzini. But what is disheartening, though, is that they didn't take into consideration how silly it makes them sound. Because, firstly, Kumba is a comedian, and, he's never been a senseless comedian, honestly. Like, that's the reason why he's on Kai FM. I mean, why else would he be on Kai FM?
This is the last time you went out together because you're not here next week Friday when I knock off.
Yes, next week I'm on tour. I'm on tour, so I'll be in Eastern Cape.
Nice.
Yes, Port Elizabeth on Wednesday, because Thursday is a holiday, and then Friday I'll be in East London.
Listen to this.
When I was there, all of you SABC employees, freelancers and so on, by today will be working. So I can't answer for SABC when I'm not there. I have been there for more than 5 years, dealing with freelancers, and actually I have created better life.
I'm too happy. Like, let's have a press conference for Young Kinto. As in, go sing him. Bizani female was you was so much. I'm a top press conference. I'm on a couch for Wabo. Amas. I don't know. That's what the unemployment is going to say.
Oh no.
Uchi, the only way as a pendulum, a question of SAPC. What are the SAPC? So Nikombela msebenzi wami back. Exactly. That's what he's saying. He's saying, you want me to answer? Okay. Nkashen futhi ngizaniphendula. Like, why? Why? That's a country, like country proper. Okay, lenya isho futhi. Lenya imina ke. This one I mean it. Momo. Le country I value.
You're going to have to apologize to Muzima Imani.
I'm not going to bulletproof. Bulletproof. I keep Helen. Le country civil. Why? One boyfriend EFF. Why actually ingoma zama comrade ngem voice ku idols? Abazocula ingoma zethu zabantu abaduduliwe ngama hand grenade from to Cairo. Ngoba Cairo ngathi ubhekane no Unaje lapha zothi I love your voice. I love your tone. From Lesotho to Madagascar. Yini wena abantu baduduliwe uzokhula kanje. Lemntana angisamthandi. Akame. Sorry, Ngebazoga. Kanti kuculwani la kule country, kanti kwenzakalani la kule country manje. Umzweni. I don't make these things up. I don't make these things up, yeah.
Momo.
From Cape. Yeah, no, I'm just going to business class. Sorry, from Cape to Cairo. From Cape to Cairo. Oh, he's on low.
You know he's coming in for my top 10.
I don't care.
No.
I don't. Lamtana ngazokula kanje ngicela umtshele ukuthi le country abantu bawile brathi abantu bashile abantu balahlekelwe abantu badutshuli uthini lo siyazi uyachama akaquli futhi abantu bayastanda ukuthi cabanga minister cabanga asithi for some odd reason we don't know uJulius abe president yekhandi yo kuzobe kunama jumping castle eParliament Julius Malema president kuzobe kuneyigubhu ungena eParliament kunoma mothengisayo eminyango alikhaya baba kideri kinati uJulius no minister of health and then mona ufuna drip somewhere like no pop Julius makanga bayi president le country nyavaya
For some odd reason
esingayazi yebivumbuka phi le angiseka ugraduated good work like le mntwana uyabaphetha amaplanka left right and center nepikiri. We would like our president to come. Let's give him a round of applause. Sukume Parliament ngalama overall wabo wegazi eze lapho Julius ngaphethe yamura phela lenje profession ithatha serious uJulius phela une degree asazi ufunde nini but une degree yalento anayo so good but uya excel uzokwenzani bathi uzokwenzani ngeBP uthola iBP lamntwana unebhande li-orange li-orange ufaka kanje ulala ngalo graduate uJulius mangabe president uNdlozi ngathi ngiyabona ay minister of transport nkulunkulu siyobona senzeni ama taxi driver naye uyawaculela sambeni ngapho bani lo Shivambo bani lo Oprah lo Floyd
yes.
Oprah Floyd sekane position vice president and uyabona umlomo ka Oprah Floyd ngajinji baleka nepaloni yani kombela kuri Julius akona Julius makahambile ayikhuluma indaba ze country onye ndawo uFloyd ulana uyacomplain nateba yimi president yimi president for breakfast ikomela ma banana yimi president Nibitala me Floyd nikari Floyd ni Floyd ya president nikomela banana ma peanuts for breakfast for lunch kumele maghewu uJulius angabuya le country sinabantwana abangakanani angapha Serena Williams ba pregnant uwine Australian Open 6 weeks ago a 14 weeks pregnant mara like lo mhlaba awuvalwe once udlo umuntu omithi she won the Australian Open 16 weeks pregnant
yes
mara kule country konza umntwana umntwana ngala nge-umbilical cord phakathi Serena abana isisu sakhona sincane ngathi stock suit simunyiwe sashiya phezulu kwespeaker bo Serena cala sindabeni isikhosha banana for breakfast nikomela banana ema peanuts Julius hako Julius banga president akafuna ukwenza speech akhulume nathi via Skype Kelebona lapha Kelebona kulishebile mo le bizela phithizela la phithizela sala le country le yavaya mina tjela.
Did you see Kuli Robert's friend Kalimba?
Yellow lama yellow why mara lemenzo so so
Nah, can't be. At least Komos is natural.
Not like okay. Kukhona senzane yini leniphuzayo
No nini kaloku nithi sibamnyama sibabi ngingamagqwirha that's why
asonga njani like should ama poison lawa anophuzayo nalama javel ijavel ikhumbula ijavel
Oh, yeah.
Javel.
Javel, yes,
Yiyo le
yes,
A-Bleach.
yes. Yeah. Ihamba nabo Petnovate.
Same WhatsApp group.
I can't believe you even know what it is, but anyway.
like ngicabanga ukuthi abo should abokanye fanele bakhulume nabo plate. Ngitshela ukuthi hey phuza something bang njalo.
Hey, pana.
It's like okay fanele afolo plate. And hey bemazi ukhanya une confidence ngekwenza ukuthi hey uzuplay hello. Asikhanya imbawo. Yangibona ngilight kanjani. Into engiphuza okhalanga ukuthi tanyana. Uri squalo nyana ngiri squalo. Mhlawumbe uzokhanya ngathi yabona uproblem sekayakhanya nkulu.
Yeah, the education.
Uyasichopha. Future is very bright la kuwe. Sinasifuna kunomuntu afanele bakhulume nabo Mshoza nabo Khanyi. Ukuthi nenza ngani? Brathi bafoneleni.
Brati, you see, Brati is perfect. Leave him alone.
With that skin bro marama phela nyano tayi. Phela namo egigini ebusuku. Ungafuna ukuthi radio sikhalela nje kuphela zakuna DJ kanti ukhona promo ngada. Usenzani ngale gospel. Uhamba nathi ngoba kangihle. Mara sikuboni. Thola ukhanya umbeka la. Abi bright. Ila light leli. I bright 5K. Ina de look umuntu okubheka ngathi yazi ngizokudla.
Oh, good bro.
And of course, Kai FM listeners will be proud to know that you will be having your own show.
Yes.
So every
Friday starting from the 5th of May. Still having to set on the name. But
okay. But what happens Monday to Thursday?
Monday to Thursday we have David Sullivan. Ubra Dave. Angekho akubra Dave mina. Ubra Dave uyahomusha. Hey, how are you guys? It is me, David. Gendara. And I just go to clip. Ngoba abantu banamakhoshini apha ukuthi sasikhumba uPop uyahamba ngithi uPop uyangara elector and ngara aba 26 ngana listenership but bazoba. Hayi Power FM ina listenership. Angazi mina uyaphi Pop niyapha yazi. No, I'm leaving. We have lost power. It's power. When you buy me muloi. What want to call again, Brati? Bese next call. Bese go by. Yeah, him foot. We have busy now. Him foot, Bob. Yes. Cause in your team. Hamban Pop. Yeah, so yeah, Pop. Yeah, and also I order. Pop. Nasikanyana kancane yena nemtweeting FM so makhambo thuzo ethethuza kuyatsamaya kitleng kitwile again Papa hey it is the jam out but yeah lucky growth yeah so yeah I'm going to show you from the 5th of May 6 to 9 6 to 9 David Monday to Thursday mina Friday
okay
mtava again indawo da Friars somewhere having cappuccino and some muffins. Senzani ngesinto brown ne peanut butter. Kanje wona sengisenza no David C2 me and David. Hey so come on sorry but Dave. I mean I'm not happy about some things. Where's the land? Let's talk about it right here. Where's the land? Like I'm joking. But yeah, so it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna miss you, bro, but yeah, you know, like it is not the end. I have a feeling with somehow in this lifetime. Of
course.
Because yeah, and we have changed Fridays and how people listen to radio. Everyone like stand still. Buyers. So yeah, it's been wonderful. Such a grand as podiums.
At 8:50 on Kaya FM 95.9, home of the Afropolitan. One more time, Scooby, you're going to be listing Cape. They're asking on social media where
I'm on tour.
exactly.
I'm on tour, bro. Not only in Instagram. I'm starting on the 26th, Port Elizabeth, with the Opera House. 28 East London, the venue Hemingways, and then 6th May I'll be Sasolbeck, 18 Rousseau, and then on the 2nd of June I'm doing a big one. Scooby and friends, Silver Star Casino. Things are available.
Yum.
It's gonna be a big one. I have my friends. I'm not gonna tell who are my friends, but yeah, no, my friends, comedian friends. Yes. abathole my letter ke labo bayayizenzela ke labo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, they don't get. Oh, I see. Afropolitan.
But it's fine. So yeah, on the 2nd of June, Silver Star Casino, Combined Friends, and then 9 June, Pretoria State Theatre, and then I close off my tour, the festival tour on the 10th of June in Nelspruit.
From what you said about people from Zim, I wonder how you're going to cross that border for the Vic Falls thing.
Oh, I'm getting calls from Zim. We made the headlines of the Zimbabwean newspaper.
Wow.
All of us, yeah, good. Tina Sitche. I look at the country, how? Says that in Donkey Pir. But I get them to your but I'm here because I know I'm not. It's sold out, or is it not?
No, but you were added there before it was sold out.
I have a show on Friday, dog. Wow. Show comes first.
That's a nice excuse.
Yeah.
That's a very, very nice excuse. It's calling Tangazako. All right.
I want to thank you. Let's go and love. Yeah, it's going cool. It's trash and your shire. That's almost so excited. Prati, Hamban. So and loving. I want to. Ufandam, I'm kumul ufandam. Is that Zambia or is that Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe.
Well, the Vic Falls, there is a bit of a overlap. Yeah.
But that's Zambia. Zambia or Zimbabwe. That's what about what you put here.
We just had a tweet from Harley Davidson. They want to give you a bike.
Thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
I just thought I should say that.
Taking that bike.
I'll change this.
No.
Yeah, I'm actually not changing the Kumso. Nothing's a young king. I mean, I don't pause on. Oh, fuck a sailing. What would you bang a piece?
Like what?
Bang a phone. I point the pan in.
All right.
But Bangipe Munyosisi was Kumanangumuntu. Never see at the auction. Minabangi, Papa Tat. Bayabakupa Umuntu put law of excellence washing.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Than ballet.
A ballet of this guy.
Letter from Tumile Bateza.
With his accent. Sounds.
That's what was the total of point. Kalakakbi. Mama get jab. Get jab. Oh, Bob doing what else?
I have no idea.
Same WhatsApp group. Tumile Mateza. Timudise, one of them Talabrati, one of them Yanga, Huma Segela, not never sent local room in Huport meeting. Bong Muta Pegamotan Seminiak about 2.7, 2,700 years. It's a go pop. We used to be young and it's like a Topian. Hey, how is gentlemen? Lama time Popayagu, Uyazwa, William Nan, Upop, William Nan, Lamatayagu. Welcome, young man. Mambi's a young man. Welcome, young man. The management are going to tell you in the page, you pay the oxygen. Pop. We've been waiting for this moment. Giving him Caroline and I would Rabatana. Mama, we'll see the lawyer. And the woman I don't know. I was like, oh, let look quiet. Manume uyahamba kunento. Womncane kada pop yongena uhe bufaka nechayi. Hey, how are you guys? I was like, yeah, nangomntwana. Hey pop. Senza chance. Abantu abadala bangale next door. Ubani umnyomdala? Yini badala ngale? Yo.
I think Lawrence is gone.
Lawrence to it gabang. We are putting hotman air kuna madreds was mirela as amadreds. Like amadreds ake. Bwana ma roots. Amadreds ka Lawrence to be bwana ma roots like. Kuze bekuna bo teach my tears ngale. Let's teach my test in like second right. I'm a vitigile for the short. I'm teach my test. Zip him back.
I think we might just well get Kenny Maestri as well, Mafuta Jams, eh? Who knows?
I mean, it's already
Letter.
Letter. Cayenne pepper. Apa umuntu wenza ishow kune cayenne pepper zamara abanye abantu. Yabo nto senza.
Abahleke.
Bafethu. Kenny Maestri. Bob. Mashini nomdava nje bafika yi from umdava. Mala ya ngimiza mdava. Ya mdava. Mdava zo. Hey, how do dana uyahamba. I am old age home. Nobody going to be old age home. From the security to Mamutina. I was like, hey, I'm single Kumbule. Stop in the radio pop. But yeah, been real man, probably. All the best for whatever you're gonna do. This is what I know. As much as Uvaya, as long as it's radio somewhere, in a position somewhere radio, my future and my kids are still covered. I don't care if people say yes, Kashana Gumgan Vele. Vele. We so much radio. Mfuna bathe baqashana ngabungani laba bangani why uthi sakaqasha uvela uprati out here mfuna ngibhekele and that's why we are friends and we have relationships. So as long as use radio wena ungada kuphi or use power or sekwekwezi FM or kumhlobo wonene ubaba ke right hamba phakathi komafana ewe apha ke sifikile sigalelekile saba manzi saba warm saba exciting phakathi komafana ngapho wethi ngapho kuza bamandi ke apha sina pop mabela ya co-host pop up and by him ku radio station. So Bob because I can't join again this weekend. But yeah, thank you very much, Skuli. I love you so much.
I love you too,
and this has been a wonderful journey. 3.5 years of craziness, and I'll always be grateful for this segment. And yes, 5 May, 6 a.m. So I'm not in the cars.